everyone, my name is Jessica Dela Cruz. It is February 14th, 2019. This is Bio 225. It is week 7 lab for the Antibiotic Sensitivity-Kirby Bauer Diffusion test. So in this exercise, I will be performing a Kirby Bauer diffusion test with my Staphylococcus epidermidis and 3 antibiotics. I have penicillin, novobiocin, and gentamicin. Okay, so here I already poured my agar plate, and I've already labeled it with the corresponding antibiotic discs. So here I have penicillin, I have novobiocin, and I have gentamicin. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to grab my active culture. Okay, turn this over. Okay, and I'm going to sterilize the lip by passing it over the flame. Okay, and I'm going to grab my pipette, which has been soaking in alcohol. Okay, and from my active culture, I'm going to pipette 0.5. Okay, and then I am going to put 8 drops of my active culture onto the center of my agar plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I'm going to dispose of my pipette because I don't need it. Okay, now I'm going to grab my L-shape spreader, and I'm going to open it so that I'm only going to be touching the long side of this L-shape spreader. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to evenly spread out my active culture throughout the agar plate. Okay. Okay, so now that it's evenly spread out, I'm going to dispose of this L-shaped spreader into the 10% bleach solution. Okay, and I'm going to flame the lip of my active culture broth to sterilize. Okay, I'm going to cap this back on. Okay, so now I'm going to let this sit for 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours, and so that the broth could absorb into be absorbed into by the agar. All right, so that concludes part 1. I'll see you in the next part.